how to open up and connect up the Pure Energy Th9800 room thermostat. Okay, firstly I've partially unpacked this one, and first thing we do is we take it out and we open the front cover using this little slot here. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So we take a small flat screwdriver, well, any flat screwdriver, but a reasonably small one, and we put it into to this slot, and then you just lever it up slightly like that. When you lever it up, I'm levering it up like this, it levers it open, and you just open up the thing like that. Then so our display is blank at present. So then you take your two batteries and you put them in like that, and it'll power up. And after it just goes through the power up sequence, we can press any button and it'll stop flashing. So there we are, it's powered up now. The next thing is to take the back, and that gets mounted to the wall using these mounting. Two of these will do, usually one here and one here, and that will mount it to the wall. And then finally the connections. So normally it's a two-wire connection. There's no power needed to this set because it's battery powered. So all we need is a live feed out to it, and then it's switched feed back to the heating system. So we will connect in the live to the common, and the feedback goes to 1. 3 remains unconnected. So it goes to 2 and to 1. If you don't know which is it's not super important to put the live to 2 and the other one to 1. If it's vice versa, it won't be the end of the world. If you happen to have 3 wires coming to your old thermostat, then one of them is probably a neutral. So you will have a live, a neutral, and a switch live back. So if you determine which is the neutral, leave that unconnected to anything for this new thermostat, and just connect the live one in here and the switch live back to 1 and 2. You'll need a very small Phillips to open that to get into the thermal connections. And that should be it. To use it then, if you want to use it like an ordinary old-fashioned thermostat, then just press this hold button. And what that does then is it makes it like a thermostat. Once you set it to 17 degrees, it'll stay at 17 degrees forever. If you wanted to put up to 19, it'll stay set to 19 forever, and so on and so forth. And if you want to come out of the hold, press the return button, and it'll go back to the programmed values. And there's a separate video on how to program it.